In this video, I'll show you how to configure automated refund processing in a PayPal business account. Start by signing into your PayPal business account and click the settings icon in the top right corner. Next, open Account Settings and review your business account configuration. After that, it's important to know that PayPal does not provide a built-in setting to automatically issue refunds for all transactions directly from the PayPal business dashboard. Now, if you want to automate refunds, you'll need to use the PayPal developer platform and integrate the PayPal Orders API or Payments API with your website or application. Next, create or configure your application in the PayPal developer dashboard, generate your API credentials, and implement the refund endpoint in your checkout workflow. After that, configure your application to automatically trigger a refund when your predefined conditions are met, such as an order cancellation, a returned item, or another business rule. Now test the integration using PayPal's sandbox environment to verify that refunds are processed correctly before using it in production. Finally, switch your application to the live environment and monitor refund activity from the Activity section of your PayPal business account. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to configure automated refund processing in a PayPal business account. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.